You're able to see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Quickly we'll finish the presentation. Okay. Okay. The last one is functional interface. So what is mean by functional interface? So far inside the interface we can able to write only abstract method, correct?
Mm.
So we are not able to write any implementation. So that is the so far whatever we have learned. So for JDK 8 onwards, inside the interface we can able to write implementation also. Inside the interface we can able to provide implementation. So inside the from JDK 8 onwards, they are breaking all the rules whatever they created.
Mm.
So they are creating new rules, they are breaking all the existing old rules. So why? Because slowly we are migrating into functional programming language. Meaning functional programming means we don't want to concentrate on object creation, for loop creation, all those things. We have to concentrate only on our main business logic. We don't need to care about how object will be created, how to write for loops. Our main goal is what are the things we are writing inside the for loop. So that is the matter for us. So you just concentrate on only your business logic related stuff. Rest of the things, making for loop, or creating object, all those things will be taken care by JDK. So this kind of activity programming is called as a functional programming language. You see here, as you see the last previous program, correct? We are not writing any for loop, correct? We are calling some of the APIs like for each filter, correct? So inside that methods, they are doing all
Mm.
those for loops, all those sectors they are doing. So we are not doing any that kind of activities. Okay. Functional programming, sorry. Functional interface means inside the interface you can able to provide implementation. So this is one of the feature they have introduced inside the JDK 8. So now we are seeing functional interface. So lambda expressions we have already saw,
Mm.
arrange method we have already saw. So this default and static methods we can able to write inside the functional interface. The third point and
Mm.
fourth point we are going to see now. Now, okay. We remove this one. Yeah, you can able to see screen now.
Yeah.
Okay. If we think this I1, IN is an interface, so inside the interface we can able to write only abstract methods. So we cannot write any implementations, correct?
Mm.
See here now if I am trying to add some implementation, the compiler is not allowing me, correct?
Yeah.
It is stopping me. So this is normal interface.
Mm.
So you can use here a keyboard called default. You see here now I can able to see now I can able to write method, right? But this is the interface, correct?
Mm.
So this is one of the features they have introduced inside the JDK. Inside the interface also you can able to write implementation. When you try to override some of the existing method, toString method is coming from object class, correct?
Yeah.
So the existing methods you cannot override. It won't allow to override existing methods. You can able to provide implementation only for your own method. So this is one of the limitation they have provided inside this interface in
Mm.
JDK. So you can write your own method and you can provide implementation. But that
Mm.
method must be a default. We have to use a keyword called default. If you remove the default, it won't allow. So rule number one, the method must be default or and static. So now let me add some. Let me make this one as static. So this is static, or you can keep it static. See here inside this interface, the methods must be either public or either static. So then we can able to provide the implementation, correct? You see here, right? It is an interface, but I am providing implementation, correct?
Mm.
So this is rule number one. It must be either public or static. The rule number three is you are not able to override the existing methods which is coming from the object class. ToString method is coming from the object class, right? Correct?
Mm.
So you cannot override the ToString methods. If you are trying to override the ToString method, it won't allow because this ToString method is coming from the object class. So why they are not allowing this one, So this is rule number three. This is very important point. So you cannot override the superclass methods inside this interface. You write your own method and you provide the implementation.
Mm.
It's clear, right? So why they
Yeah.
are not allowing this one, So in Java so far from JDK 1.1 to JDK 7 there is a problem. There is a big problem is there. So that
Mm.
problem we used to call as a diamond problem. So diamond problem. What is mean by diamond problem?
Mm.
Something. The diamond problem is say for instance, we have a two integers here. Consider to be A equal is so this is interface A and now I am creating another interface B. Interface B. Here two interfaces, okay?
Mm.
So two interfaces they can extend. They can able to extend it.
Mm.
Class C extends A, comma B. See two interfaces. What is the interface? The two interfaces they can extend only one class. You see here, this interface
Oh,
got extended
okay.
more than one classes or more than one interfaces. So whatever available inside these classes, so it can come inside, correct?
Mm.
Say for instance, inside this A, inside this B interfaces, if same method is there, which method will come here? There is a problem, right? Correct?
Mm.
So for instance here, add So this is called as a diamond problem. So this problem, they are struggling a lot from 1.1 to 1.7 to solve this kind of problem. Now let's see here. Now which now if I'm trying to provide implementation for a C interface, so inside the C interface, these methods also will be coming to here, correct? Because we are extending it,
mm,
correct? So
mm,
now whenever I'm trying to provide implementation, I have to provide implementation for all the methods. Meaning I have to provide implementation for add method. So the add method is coming from two classes, two interfaces. Which for which method I have to provide the implementation, either for this one or for this one. Correct? This is a problem statement,
mm.
correct? So this
Yeah.
is called as a diamond problem. Diamond. It's a three
Okay.
diamonds, right? A, B, C,
Mm,
three classes. So
mm,
this problem is called as a diamond problem. So this problem we used to call as a diamond problem. So they were struggling so far with this problem and finally they solved it somewhat by using
mm,
the JDK feature. So inside the JDK feature, yes. So inside the JDK, you can declare the interface, you can declare the interface, you can provide the implementation, you can provide the implementation, but you cannot override the superclass methods. Why? Because for superclass, if we have same method in two interfaces, we don't know which one we have to implement.
mm,
So finally, to solve this problem, you write your own method, we provide the implementation, but we cannot override superclass methods. So this is one of the rules we have to do in JDK 8. This is clear at interface, static and default methods. We can provide
yes.
implementation. But till
Mm,
7 we cannot do these things. Till JDK 7 we cannot type anything in 7. Clear right? So far?
yeah.
Okay. Now the last one is functional interface. The last one is functional interface. Functional interface meaning a interface which is having only one method is called as a functional interface. See, this is the interface, correct?
Mm,
So here public. So this is the method, correct?
mm,
So can I add one more here like this one? So two methods, right? And now I'm going to mark this one as a functional interface. See here, in general, inside the interface, we can able to add n number of abstract methods, correct?
mm,
Inside the interface, you can able to create n number of methods. But if you mark that interface as a functional interface, it will take only one abstract method. It will not take more than one. So this is the functional interface definition. A interface which can take only one abstract method. That interface we need to call it a functional interface. What is the advantage of this one? So now if you want to provide implementation for add method, so how to do that one? So you can go for you can use it functional interface by equal to you can write implementation directly here. Correct? You
mm,
see here functional interface it got implemented, add method, and I am going to call that one. Fi dot clear interface is declared. Method implementation is provided, and finally I am calling the method. Now I will get the results. Functional interface means which is having only one method is called as a functional interface. We are getting the results, right? So this is the add method implementation. I am calling the add method. Did you see any object creation here?
No.
Our main goal is we have to implement the method. So I am implementing the method. When we are creating the objects, we are using it. Extra class doesn't matter. Ultimately, I want to see the implementation. I will be
Mm.
I am getting the object. You can pass this object to the people whoever want to use it.
Mm.
You just give the object and they will call the method and they will get the results. Correct?
Yeah.
So this is about functional interface. So all these features are very important. Functional interface, for each method, static void methods, and streams, lambda expressions. It's clear, right?
Yeah.
I will upload all the videos, whatever we recorded. Some three videos it will come. So all three videos I will upload in the same order, and programs
Okay.
also I will upload. You can just have a look.
Yeah.
Okay, and we will connect
Okay.
tomorrow, not tomorrow, that's Sunday evening or Monday evening.
Yeah. Okay.
Sunday evening
Mm.
means I will inform you Sunday morning only.
Uh-huh.
If I didn't send any message meaning, then we will connect directly on Monday evening, Monday night.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
yeah, I think the previous app is better than this one because I'm still getting some noise in this
So
smoke.
this one is not good. You mean June?
Yeah, because I can hear some noise while you are teaching.
Okay, fine. We will use that one only.
Yeah, but I am not sure there was a problem with that one.
Yeah, that's fine. No problem. That will be fixed only for today. That is only for today.
Oh,
The problem will not come every time.
okay,
It's very
then
rare. It's
it's
very
fine.
rare
Yeah.
that kind of problem. It's very rare basically.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, we
Yeah.
will use the Citrix one only
Mm. Yeah.
next time. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. If possible, could you give me any task because you are not going to be
Pro-
here like a 3 days?
okay. Yeah, I will send you. I'll send you an email.
Yeah.
I'll send
Okay.
you the
Yeah.
email.
Okay.
Some of the programs you can practice it. Also, you are reading
Okay.
that interview questions, right?
Yeah, I'm.
Yeah, you read that interview questions means that are very important basically.
Okay.
All the questions are there like collection, strings,
Mm.
cloning, exception handling.
Mm.
Threads is not completed, so that is in next topic. There is a small topic
Okay.
is pending, a jar creation and that. So that
Mm.
we'll see in the aspect of next class. After that, we will see the last topic is threads.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Mm. Thank you.